first thing that strikes you around the limited edition Subaru WRX STI Type R could be the price, $49,855. Yep, for just a full $12,900 higher than the base STI, you could be one of 500 those that have an RA logo on your own trunk lid. That's $6,450 per letter. On the plus side, you're getting an STI that's been specifically tweaked to extract maximum performance from the people who be aware of it best. High's a dirt road maestro, highly exclusive, crazy tossable. Low's a price only rabid enthusiasts could love. Certain controls is often more refined, long in the tooth engine. Honed though it may be, the STI Type R isn't knife. Just like the everyday STI, the R can be a rock hammer. It works best if you throw it around because of the scruff of the overly thick tire, carry an excessive amount of speed right into a corner sense, then climb onto the brakes and yank arbitrarily. To hell with all the apex. Wait patiently because the tires doth protest, then bury the gas pedal and hang on. The party starts in the event the boost gets there, and it also likes to arrive late. This isn't an auto that should come to mind after you think about delicately targeting apexes and dancing the cue between oversteer and neutral. There's a good amount of grip as well as the steering is quick, but turn-in behavior is vague, along with the steering feels light and jumpy instead of state cornering. There are significant changes under hood, but they also come without equally significant numbers to quantify their existence. There's a negligible gain of 5 horsepower from revised EQ tuning and also a high flow intake plus 3 horsepower along with a less restrictive exhaust system plus 2 horsepower. Strengthened pistons and sodium-filled exhaust valves are placed in the name of reliability, because car's mission statement nearly mandates regular time in the track. That cracking open the engine led to only 5 additional horsepower is disappointing, especially considering what tuners, and Subaru itself, have had the opportunity to extract in the august but aging EJ25 engine in past models. Third gear is slightly tweaked that is a 4.3% shorter ratio compared to the base STI, which can be said to better maintain the turbocharger on boil. Without a standard STI around for comparison, it's challenging confidently say we will tell the difference. However, the Type R hardly runs outside of breath in any gear, always pulling hard, just like a tractor, to redline. A short throw shifter reduces throws by 10% but is not she. The reuses inverted Manitou Bilstein dampers, that offers higher damping force at lower speeds. They're suitable for hooligan driving but have the ride a bit bouncy about. Nothing away from character to get a car with letters in the name that mean record attempt, though. Inside, a controls wrapped in micro-SUD, a red engine start button, and also a serial number plate are definitely the only cues to the present model's exclusivity, although everyone could have noticed the car's dedication to purpose prior to getting in. Like Japan market STI Type R offerings with the past, the Subaru's molded spoiler is ditched and only an adjustable high-mount carbon fiber wing, which Subaru says makes measurable downforce at speeds of greater than 50 miles per hour roughly. A new rear bumper has functional ducts to slightly reduce drag and lift, along with the front splitter helps create some downforce too. There are, wait for it, cherry blossom red accent stripes about the grille beforehand and for the bumper out back. Red brake calipers were cool within the 1990s, nevertheless the RA's silver painted, reinforced 6-pot Brembo calipers and cross-drilled rotors look perfect behind the gaping 19-inch forged BBS wheels of today, which are painted gold, certainly. They're another welcome change on the fluorescent yellow calipers for the normal 2018 STI. Subaru says the carbon fiber roof lowers the biggest market of gravity while improving torsional rigidity and shaving 8 pounds too. Subaru claims the STI Type R is 51 pounds lighter when compared to a base STI, while using bulk of that landed by replacing the spare tire which has a tire repair kit. The roof, BBS wheels, carbon fiber wing, and deleted rear armrest constitute the remainder. You'll never spot the weight savings, added power, or aero improvements devoid of the aid of measurement devices, but it's nice to recognize that Subaru is attempting in an era where fun factor means you have sweet apps about the infotainment screen. The STI Type R is accessible at select US dealers in Crystal Black Silica, WR Blue Pearl, or Crystal White Pearl, with blue getting back together 49% in the 500 car mix. The rarest and best looking color is black, at only 19%. If you have $50,000 plus a hankering for the rally Hammer, act fast.